Hello everyone, welcome to update 2.3.1, and this update is mainly to do with the security database, but it also just fixes random bugs everywhere. So we're going to get into that right now. It's a really simple update, no huge changes, so it's only a minor update, so you should be able to, this will all work together still. And the first thing is, this looks different. Well, I'll I'll explain what this is later. So basically, styling updates. I started moving stuff directly out of the code. Oh yeah, I made the dark style. The styling was already in 2.3.0, but there weren't any styles to choose from. Now there's the default, and then there's dark mode. The default is basically what it was before, and then dark mode just has all the stuff turned dark. And then another thing you'll notice is there's a bar here now. What this bar is so that it just separates this stuff from this stuff, because I'm going to be putting other stuff inside this area, like just miscellaneous stuff you can change on the database. And another thing that's changed is buttons have been moved. So while before they've just been in a line like this, I decided to compress them a little bit, so now you can add a user, delete a user, reset the user's UUID, which is what connects them to the card, add variable, delete variable, and you can now edit the variables. I think this is a new thing. Yeah, it is. So now you can edit the variables. I'll get to that. Settings is basically you can, as I went into, you can set it auto update. You can enable it, disable it. Right now it's disabled, which is why there's the update server button. You can change the mode, like if I want dark mode, dark.lua, because if we were to go into the applications package contents styles, you could see there's dark.lua and default.lua. That's the only two styles there are so far, and probably what there's going to be for the next little while. You can make your own styles if you really wanted to, and put it in the styles folder and then set it here. What else? Yeah, that's right, admin card. Update server. The database will now automatically default to not auto updating to reduce the clutter here. But if you liked auto update, you can set it. You can turn it on in settings. And now for edit variables. So, of course, you're not going to see it here, but if we were to add a quick regular pass, true false pass, like that, and then go into here, now we have these three. You want to delete, if you want to delete them, you can see there's three of them there. But if you want to edit, you notice that there's only level and then apples, which is the group. That's group, that's the level, just int, and then that's the pass, but it's not here. That's because really the only passes that you really need to edit instead of delete are the level pass, which even then you're probably not going to change that, and then groups. So like if you with the level pass, all you can really change is check above value, which basically disabled, it will only check if it's exactly that number. If it's enabled like that, it'll check that and higher. And then with groups, you can change the group. You can add, delete groups really easily, just like that. And then if you press that, it'll change it. So that's pretty much it with the database, other than, oh, lang file support. You can now, this has lang file support, so localizations. So far there's only English and Russian. That's really it. I don't plan on adding any more localizations, so if you want to add some, you can. Let's see, if I change the language here to Russian, and then go into database, you can see it's now in Russian. It looks a little weird, and I don't plan on making any changes. I hope there's no bad words on this, because I didn't screen it. Someone else actually did it for me on GitHub. Really, really helped out. I didn't want to go through and do it all. So yeah, that's that. And then the other smaller changes that I've done are with the editing tablet. There are some bugs with the editing tablet. I mean, with the diagnostic tablet. The main issue being passes. I mean, not passes. With the numbering. I don't remember exactly what it was, but it's fixed. And I also added the support for editing the actual passes. It's like, yeah, failing. Give me that. There. Oh, alright, so as I was saying, swipe it with that. You can see it's just really simple. Single door control. And you can change passes with 5. So, nah. And then click the screen, submits the new settings. And right now, this does not have it. So access denied. Update server. Still access denied. Oh, that's because I'm using the wrong card, like an idiot. There we go. Nah, he doesn't get it. Yep, there we go. Supreme var, nah. I think that's really it for this update, really simple. Let me check. Alright, after this is very unscripted, like this tutorial, so struggling as we go on, but I missed one of the most important things, the editing mode on the diagnostic tablet. You can now, if you have a multi-door, you can add doors and you can delete doors. This is literally the biggest thing, and I completely missed it. As well as forgetting to copy messing up the door control on this. My goodness. There we go. Now it's fixed. So like if I want to add this roll door right here, I can press N. I'm going to do it twice to show you the next thing. Also, this thing right here, that's a bug. But that's not actually what's showing. This is the stuff that's showing. So change door name, this is going to be roll door. Change the type, set to roll door. Copy the roll door UUID. I didn't copy the roll door UUID. There. Now it's roll door. I'm not going to make it toggleable. I don't need to change really any of that. The default for a new door is staff. So the door will always be set to staff when you first do it. So if I wanted to change the pass, I could. I'm not going to do that. Change UUID. Get the card reader UUID. My goodness. And, oh, not done yet. Next door, I accidentally made another one of these, so I want to delete it. You could press R. It'll ask you, are you sure? Yes, I am sure. And then it deletes it. And that's it. And then immediately, new settings received. It doesn't work because that is not a user. This is the user. Oh yeah, mag reader's not set up. Does that go away? It does not go away. That's a bug, but that's fine. It's not important because once you turn it back on, it'll go away. He is not staff. Aha. I will make you staff. You are now staff. And now it works. So that's as simple as can be. Now I'm pretty sure that is it. Yes. Everything works now. One more check to make sure I'm not missing anything. Yep, that's pretty much it. So, lot. That egg went far. Alright, so yep, that's it. So, theoretically, the editing tablet removes all needs for the auto installer to edit, delete doors off of a multi-door and stuff. It just simplifies that process heavily. So I hope you enjoyed. It's a very small update, although it's going to be a lot to edit down because I had a lot of off time to look around stuff. Really should have planned this out more, but yeah, hope you enjoyed. I hope that didn't blow up anything, but yeah, hope you enjoyed and my god. Let's just leave that. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. See ya.